kadi kasin ka baning kong bono alam kalyang persya kayin raba tho ang kajala to tromukul sama un kundu yu presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee pa Vincent H Pala nadu bushimti kam kum presiden ka Meghalaya Congress hakate gi kundu ka baning kong ladan lang ro nadu MLA kanong thamai ba Charles Pungrop nang taw presiden ka East Khatsil District Congress Committee ba knedi khriam pat kyu kuwei kate gi kundu kalong ro banya kran halo ka jip khre joka party namta bani khone ka election sting samoy na Rajabala Borkeneng paru namo plang constituency.
So for these 3 vacancies, the election commission has already notified the election date, and therefore the PEC, the Pradesh Election Committee, has set today, which was chaired by the new PCC president, Mr. Vincent Pala, and the PEC had considered all the recommendations which have been forwarded by the concerned party units, meaning the Block Congress Committee, and subsequently also with all the inputs received from the respective District Congress Committee. Based on those inputs, after having scrutinized each and every application and the inputs furnished before the PEC has decided upon, at least as far as 2 of the candidates for 2 constituencies. For in respect of one of the constituencies, I will not like to name, the PEC wanted to get some more inputs and therefore deferred the final decision, which will be hopefully completed by today before the evening. And after this whole exercise is completed, the names will be forwarded to AICC for the kind consideration of the Honorable Congress President. And once it is approved by the Honorable Congress President, then you will have the name and will be able to share it with all of you. Thank you.